Lord, the narrow nigga. I said my necklace, iced out, my left wrist, iced out. Walk a block of blood, stay out my lane because I'm good out. Niggas get drawn down, you know it my clip out. Hit him with a bottle, stop his motherfucking lights out. Hands on deck, make a nigga pull a tool out. All in this shit, I ain't gon' stop until I wild out. Wild out, wild out, gonna wild out. Wild out, wild out, walk a block of wild out. Young money, rich boy. Young money, rich boy. Young money, young money, young money, rich boy. Young money, rich boy. Young money, rich boy. Brick squad, brick squad, brick squad, brick squad. Walk up, yeah. He jump in the club, walk up, hey, get up, walk up, hey, get up, walk up, hey, get up, walk up, hey. For the cash out, rough a nigga ass up. Run up in this house, Jim Kelly style, masked up. We the new Wu-Tang, the new Nolan, the new NWA. What's up, stupid Dre? Can't forget Easy E Ice Cubes on my head. Fuzzy screaming, walker, bitch, I got that check. I don't need no flex, but I got a ball. Money on me, yes it's that tall. But I'm gutter. What's up, gutter? I got rotten apple blood in my veins. I reverse a slave drop, came from up north to down south. No more lean mugs at my show, so it green love. Green flags, green love. Soup up to the pizza. Young money, rich boy. Young money, rich boy. Young money, young money, young money, rich boy. Young money, rich boy. Young money, rich boy. Brick squad, brick squad, brick squad, brick squad. Young money, rich boy. Young money, brick squad. Young money, young money, young money, brick squad. Young money, brick squad. Young money, brick squad. Brick squad, brick squad, brick squad, brick squad.
Young money nigga, I'm a rep to the death. You can see the YM tatted on my neck. All my niggas wild, choppers on deck. Stomp a nigga out, the man I respect. Me and Flocka got the hand on the tech, and his cash on delivery. So hand me my check, nigga. I don't talk much, but when I do, bitch, pay me. Big money, heavyweight, you can ask baby. Birdman school me, Wayne told me do me and stack big paper up. No need for loose leaf, my rubber band stacks can't fold in the knots. I decapitate the top with 2 holes in the drop. I'm counting up the money till my hands get blisters. Told my bitch to come help me. We can count it up quicker, nigga. Real nigga music, they talking, we do it. Free my nigga Weezy and free my nigga Gucci. Young money.